What's up, Cooks? It's Wednesday. Yeah, I'm sitting here on the golf cart. Oh, I'm going backwards. We have something that we did this last week, and I wanted to show you in terms of the progress on the studio kitchen. I am wearing my jacket backwards because it is chilly out here. We got something. We're actually back now, but I'll show you our little trip out to pick it up. And we got something that I didn't think I was going to be able to get. I was worried about getting it. And I got one. It's here. And so the kitchen can keep moving on. So what's up? It's Wednesday. Yes. The new kitchen continues. So a lot of things have happened since last What's Up Wednesday. And one of the things I wanted to talk to you about is the struggles that we had getting a cabinet for the oven. So we headed off to Pennsylvania because I had a butcher block countertop custom made for the new kitchen. And it's made by a gentleman who just started his own butcher block company, and he is absolutely swamped with work. And he made our butcher block custom size. We got 8 foot by 3.5 feet. So it will work in the new kitchen. So one of the things that I struggled with was getting a double oven cabinet because of the shortages and the long wait, and of course my impatience, right? I didn't think I was going to be able to get one. I thought we were going to have to build one from scratch. Well, I found one that has never been used up in Pennsylvania. It was near where we were going to pick up the butcher block. So we went by to see it, to see if it could be an option for us. The person who bought it is remodeling their kitchen. They waited 6 months for it to come in, and when it came in, it didn't fit the space. So they couldn't use it, and they couldn't return it because it was like custom ordered for them. So we headed up there to get the butcher block and to potentially get this double oven cabinet. Check it out and see if we were able to secure one. We are ready to rock and roll.
Right.
Doing a little brake check.
Left.
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
Hazards.
Yep.
All right.
We're in Hershey. We got to make a pit stop. Get some drinks and stretch our legs. So we're going to stop here, and can we get some chocolate?
Chocolate?
For the Hershey.
Put it back there.
I think we're lost. Said there was like a truck stop, but there's not. Doesn't look like a truck stop out here.
I don't know. Just go over the hill. Maybe it's over the hill. Through the yonder. Hey, there it is.
Well, there's something.
Have faith, boo.
Them are some big barns, baby.
I want some fried chicken.
Well, there's probably a lot of chickens in them barns. Whoa, it's cold out here. I got my coat on as a blanket. Whoa, it's freezing. Hi, Boo.
All right.
How are you? So we are officially home, and I have something in here that I didn't think I was going to be able to get, but we got it, right? The oven cabinet. Yay!
Yay.
Oh, I'm having too much fun on this golf cart. Woohoo! The trees are starting to pop out. We got a lot of flowers going. Oh, I love spring. I love it. It has arrived. I think it's called the Viking. There it is. The Viking Range is here, and look at those shoe prints. I mean, what's up with that? Does the shipper just walk all over it? Jeez. That's crazy. Oh my word, look at that beauty. That's a what, 38 inch? So it's
36.
36 inch, so it's 5 burner.
Mm-hmm.
Viking!
What can you do with that, Boo? Some spaghetti?
Yay! So this is what the floor temporarily looked like. We went to look at some flooring and I couldn't pick anything out. So temporarily, we ripped a carpet back. We have to finish the carpet. We primed it, painted it with some concrete paint, and we sealed it. And it's going to be like this until I figure out what kind of flooring I want. But we're moving ahead with the kitchen like this, and I'm going to use some gel mats until I find the flooring. Because I went and looked, I couldn't pick anything. And I think part of the problem is that I don't have any inspiration yet for the floor because the kitchen's not in. I just don't know, nothing, I didn't feel anything, right? So temporarily it's gonna be like this until I find some flooring. So down here is the butcher block. It is unfinished, so we're gonna have to figure out what color, and we're gonna have to finish this. This is a disaster down here right now. If you are planning to do a kitchen remodel, expect for some time that your house is going to be a complete and total disaster. And this laying on its side is the double oven cabinet. I'm sitting here like, I don't know how this is ever going to come together and be an actual kitchen. But the floor is a mess. The carpet needs to be cleaned. The kitchen is in boxes and parts and pieces. It's going to take a while. Eric has ordered parts for the electrical, so that will be here. The floor has to cure for 3 days before we can even step on it. And my basement is a complete mess right now. So I'm trying to hold out and not let it get to me too much. But all this is going to be worth it because the kitchen's going to be amazing. So this is the double oven cabinet, which was pretty impossible to find. So cooks, thanks for hanging with me through this kitchen studio build out. It has been stressful. It's been stressful, not only worried about getting supplies, but also just getting it done because we are doing this ourselves, right? Except we are hiring a handyman to help us. This is Amy Learns to Cook version 3, right? As I think Cash said. This is kitchen version 3. One of the things I can say is if you're thinking about any kind of kitchen remodel, kitchen update, just remember that it will be stressful. There are times you want to pull your hair out. You just want it to be done. You just have to stick with it. I told Eric yesterday, I was like, I just think I want to forget this, right? I don't want to do this. And then we were both like, we're a little too far into this, right? To turn back now. So we are full steam ahead. We have a little bit of downtime with it because we got to get the electrical, we got to let that floor cure. And once all that comes together, then we can start moving ahead with it again. So we have a couple day breather with all the excitement. So what's up? It's Wednesday. Thanks for joining me. At some point, this kitchen's going to be done and we are going to be cooking our little hearts out. So have a great week and thanks for joining me.